Hi guys. Yep, it's Jim Downs at Motorhome Rehab Ranch, and lock and load, they said. Get ready for what? Cold weather. So here we are. This is a Florida guy ready for cold weather. I got my gloves on. Got my Dumb and Dumber hat. Love it. Uh, you know, I'm not much into cold. I'm from Florida, and down here, it's supposed to be 48 degrees tomorrow, and they said bring the coats out. So I'm listening to them. But Dennis says that it's what was it? Showed me a picture of 6 inches of snow, 2 more inches, and it was like, I don't know, 18 degrees or something. Be interesting. It's gonna be very interesting. Trip. It's Sunday today, and Dennis is flying in tomorrow morning. We'll get in about 1:30, and then gotta make sure it rains. Then we head over to about an hour ride. So that puts us in 2:30, 3 o'clock. Yeah. And then we're going to jump in a motorhome that hasn't been moved in, well, 4 months ago it clogged 2 injectors. But for that, it sat at our shop for many, many years. And we're going to drive this thing to Wyoming. Now, we were going to leave a couple of weeks ago, and the weather at that time was fine. But then it moved in, and motorhome wasn't ready. We had to wait. And I showed on the last episode what the paint job's looking like. It's real good. It's good that we waited, give them the extra time to do the right job, And so this is when it happens. If it's not ready Monday evening by dark, remember, we're only going to have 2 or 3 hours worth of daylight before it's going to be difficult to work on the coach. So we're going to do a lot of belief. We have a belief. The belief is we can get to Bessemer, Alabama, where Mark Creel's standing there with a bunch of tools, and we're going to get the furnace running. We can probably get to Alabama with the dash heat, but Dennis tells me that it'd be a good idea to have a furnace running, so we better work on that in Bessemer. That's right. We will not have a generator. The brushes on the Honda generator were corroded. The PC board was fine. For you guys that have Honda generators, if you do a diagnosis and the diagnosis is the board is bad and they say you need a new generator and stuff, stop. Back up a little bit. Go to Pinellas Power Products. Talk to Paul Wolliver and go through his process procedure, because he says very rarely it's the control module. I took the control module over to him. It was about an hour from where the coach was. And he checked it out, and by golly, the control panel is good, which we all know they have Hondas. Control panel goes out, it's about $500-600 project. So we button the generator up, and when he gets up to Wyoming, then there's a generator shop nearby, and we'll go ahead and fix that. Which means we won't have any roof airs or anything like that, roof heat, It'll be very interesting. So the first leg of this thing is to get to Bessemer, Alabama, and to the cradled hands of Mark Creel, and then from there we're heading west. And the story is maybe Mark may be able to come with us. We'll see. He's finishing a big project on one of the big 40-footers. See, he works on all kinds of things. Cut his teeth on the GMC, but everything gets in the way you know. So this is what we're going to do. This is the day before. I'm sleeping up, making sure I'm ready to go. Got all my clothes, got my bag. I got to come back on the airplane, so won't be able to take any of my tools. I'm hoping that somebody's going to have some power probe and a crimper and some different things out there, because I'll use what you have. I won't be able to bring any because coming back on the plane, right? All right, guys. So follow us. Follow us as we have a lot of little short videos and things along the way. And certainly call. Don't say, oh, he's busy, he's on the road. Hey, call us, man. You can be part of the thing. It's a lot of fun. You know, this is a one-time trip for Dennis, and I'm really happy to be involved in it. And after we get this coach to Wyoming, or as close as we can get, um, we'll be deadheading down to Utah and to work on At Your Leisure's Road Force 1 GMC project. We're going to be putting the Mac Dash in. And I understand there's some other GMC enthusiasts around there that want to work on their dash. We're going to do some stuff there. So this is going to be a lot of fun. Till I get back, of course, other projects and things are going to go on hold, like the new restoration project. I've got some stuff going, but that'll be held until we get back. This is kind of a big thing for me. I enjoy getting out on the road with these things. And you got to think about it. 25 years I've been in the shop just sitting there. This is my turn now, right? All right, guys. Thanks a lot for following me. Click like, share this one for sure, because here it comes. You know, we're in the breach. See you later.